she took me at some room. There I on the kabad के ऊपर I saw a soul like figure sitting and pointing towards a particular hook. And a sudden death feeling सा ऐसा आने लगा. I asked my friend, okay, someone died here or someone committed. Suddenly she said, my younger brother committed suicide यार. Shit. I was like, मर गए. अब ये भी होने वाला है. That was actual my reaction with me.
So that soul जो आपको दिख रहा था वो
That was present.
damn.
I felt as if I'm sleeping. See, you are sleeping here. आप जैसे माँ के गोद में सोते हो तो गोद में आपका सर होता है, आपकी बॉडी वहाँ पे है, and this mother is sitting on this side. So I saw this type of figure trying to guard me, and I saw a real figure of it. I saw, and that was Goddess Kali. Anyone or any people coming in your life or being in your life in one or other way is chosen by you. You chose that person to play that particular role in your life, even to extent that you choose your mother from whom you will take birth.
Right.
And you take birth, you go through entire suffering and all this thing so that your karmas which you did wrong, because of which in your lower realm you wash out those karma. Getting close to God in Kali Yuga is much easier compared to other yuga. Right? See, in Kali Yuga it has been very clearly said in Vedas and Puranas, if you ask for forgiveness for your karma, and if you chant also my name, japa, tapa, jap or any yatra or something, God has to give you blessing. You should be relieved out of it. No doubt about it.
नमस्ते अमित जी, वेलकम ऑन द शो.
Thank you.
काफ़ी सारी बातें करनी है आज अबाउट थिंग्स जिसके बारे में लोग शायद समझते नहीं अब भी, या बहुत कन्वीनियंटली इग्नोरेंस में जीते हैं. तो फर्स्टली वेलकम ऑन द शो.
Thank you very much. Pleasure to be here.
फॉर दोज पीपल जिन्हें पता नहीं है कि आप एग्जैक्टली क्या करते हैं, उन्हें ब्रीफ में आप समझा दीजिए कि आप क्या करते हैं एंड क्यों करते हैं वो चीज़ें.
क्यों करते हैं ये कहना थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा लेकिन क्या करते हैं हाँ ये जरूर बता सकता हूँ. सो एजुकेशनली बैकग्राउंड से अगर देखने जाओ तो मैं लॉयर था हाई कोर्ट में. आई यूज्ड टू प्रैक्टिस एज अ लॉयर एंड वाज हैविंग अ बिजनेस आल्सो. बट देन एक पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए आई वाज अ वाइल्ड लाइफ फोटोग्राफर एज अ नेचुरलिस्ट वर्किंग इन वाइल्ड लाइफ फील्ड. But apart from that, I am a paranormal investigator. I am a Reiki Grandmaster. I do a lot of healing cases and soul communication and soul possessive cases जो होते हैं, energy reading है. Majorly, I believe I'm more into an energy reading field. I communicate with energy with any place or person, and I'm an animal telepathic. So I communicate with animals. I try to help the people who are having who are dealing with animals who are not able to understand their language, not able to understand why they are behaving in that way, or the lost cases of pet. So I help them to understand. I help them to find their lost pets also, and working in the field of communication field. And that's what majorly I do.
इंटरेस्टिंग. तो हमारे पास में एक नोटबुक है जिसमें आपने पूरी आपकी जर्नी पेन डाउन की है, एंड इतने सारे पॉइंट्स हैं. तो वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. इस कॉन्वर्जेशन को स्टार्ट करने के लिए आपकी जर्नी से ही मुझे बात स्टार्ट करनी कि कहाँ से एग्जैक्टली दिस जर्नी स्टार्टेड फॉर यू. अगर आप वो बता सकें, मतलब जैसे कहाँ से आपने शायद रीकी करना स्टार्ट किया, या किस तरह से आपने एनिमल्स के साथ में आपके कॉन्वर्सेशन स्टार्ट हुए. ऑल्दो हम एनिमल्स वाला एक सेपरेट पॉडकास्ट करने वाले, बट इस पॉडकास्ट में आपकी जर्नी के लिए एक ब्रीफ इसमें बता दीजिए आप.
See, आपने you brought this point कि I'm having this note and I'm noted a lot of points because I'm very fortunate. I believe myself. I am very fortunate that I have been to a lot of field. मेरे बहुत सारे experiences life में रहे हैं and अलग-अलग areas में था, तो मेरे लिए नोट डाउन करना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा था. रैंडमली के कम्युनिकेशन का फ्लो कहीं जाता. सो पॉइंट्स हेल्प मी टू अंडरस्टैंड ओके जर्नी कैसे हुई. एंड यू वॉन्ट बिलीव मैंने जब ये पॉइंट्स लिखा, जब हमारी कन्वर्सेशन हुआ था फ़ोन पे कि ओके विल कम अप विद द जर्नी दैट आई हैड, एंड व्हेन आई नोटेड ऑल द पॉइंट्स आई वॉज सो अमेज्ड कि यार आई एम सो ब्लेस्ड कि ये सारे एक्सपीरियंस जैसे सोल के साथ का कम्युनिकेशन होना, पैरानॉर्मल होना, टेलीपैथिक कम्युनिकेशन होना, एनिमल कम्युनिकेशंस होना, हीलिंग करना, फिर वर्किंग विथ एनर्जी सेक्टर, वर्किंग विथ मटीरियल्स टू चार्ज दैम, then able to see the spectrums of colors, able to see the body parts, then able to communicate with souls to understand their life, then now dealing with the then blessing of gods, I got connected with them, some journeys that I did. So I feel I'm so very lucky. In a way I had, कैसा है कि आप नॉर्मली पहले ब्लैक एंड वाइट मूवी होती थी, आज कलरफुल मूवी हो रही है, मेरी तो सतरंगी मूवी हो रही है, मेरी लाइफ एक सतरंगी हो चुकी है ऐसे, क्योंकि प्रोफेशनली भी मैंने बहुत सारी फील्ड के अंदर अलग अलग काम किया, इंजीनियरिंग में भी किया है, बहुत सारी जगह पे किया, बट समवेयर अराउंड नाउ आई एम बीन कॉर्नर्ड आउट कि आपका एक पर्पस है लाइफ का, और उस पर्पस के हिसाब से मुझे धीरे धीरे गाइड किया गया है इस डायरेक्शन में.
Right.
I was getting to somewhere else, but then I was thrown back again from there. That period of time I used to believe I have become, मैं नहीं काम कर पा रहा हूँ, मैं disappointed हुआ, but then somewhere or not it happened for a good reason. That's the reason why कुछ देर पहले हमने जब बात किया, मैंने आपसे पूछा are you happy with the podcasting? You were about to go somewhere else, you were about to have some other journey, but then now you are somewhere happy doing it. Some interesting things are happening, you're meeting new people, they are coming up with their talks, और आपको कुछ नया जानने मिल रहा है. You never know. That is something at the end of your some years, you may write a book on the people's journey or the experience that you had. You may turn out to be a good writer, and some messages coming through your book may change people's life. That might be the purpose of your life. So it's a wonderful journey. So my journey, talking about my own personal journey. So I'm actually a dyslexic guy. मुझे थोड़ा कम्युनिकेशंस का, कम्युनिकेशन तो नहीं कभी भी, लेकिन लिखने पढ़ने में मेरा थोड़ा सा इशू हुआ करता था, एंड दैट्स द रीज़न आई वाज हैविंग लेस ऑफ फ्रेंड्स. दे यूज्ड टू मेक फन ऑफ मी, लाफ ऑन मी एंड लॉट. तो दे यूज्ड मी फॉर देयर फन एंड एन्जॉयमेंट थिंग. तो चीज़ें ऐसी चलती रही कुछ पीरियड तक के लिए, लेकिन बाद में मेरे, हाँ, बट आई वॉज वेरी गुड एट सम पार्ट्स टू द एक्सटेंट मेरे लिए स्मेल करना मुश्किल होता था. मेरे स्मेलिंग सेंस वॉज नॉट गुड. हमारे बायोलॉजी में एक बेंजीन रिंग का कुछ टेस्ट होता है, जो थोड़ा फॉइल सा टेस्ट आता है. तो लैब में जब थे तो मेरे पास टेस्ट ट्यूब वो आया, उसमें आया, ऐसे हाँ स्मेल होगा, आई जस्ट रिएक्टेड, मतलब क्या कर रहा है यार, गंदी सी स्मेल है फिश की, ओ गंदी स्मेल है करके मैं दे दिया. तो मैं डिपेंडेंट होता था लोगों पर. लेकिन अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट मेरा वायरिंग कुछ अलग था. मैं स्मेल से ये एग्जैक्ट बता सकता हूँ आपको कि ये चीज़ गर्म है तो कितना टेम्परेचर है. तो दैट इज समथिंग डिफरेंट इन.
Okay.
So God always come up with some unique idea for everyone. You're good at something, you're bad at something, focus on good.
Right.
So that's where my curiosity about having some unique experiences, unique features to this particular gadget called body. So I started researching it. मैं थोड़ा वो करना स्टार्ट किया, बट एक very bad incident happened in my life during my colleges. I was a very good cricketer in my time, pretty much famous because of that. A bad thing happened. I was also somewhat involved with some reason. Then my life took me very bad hit, and I came back and all. Then I was introduced to Reiki. Now, when something wrong is happening, the healing part comes in your life through some source. That is always fixed. Either your friend or someone else. I was introduced to Reiki. Reiki basically is a technique of healing people. You universally जो energy है, उसको आप यूज़ करके किसी को हील करने का काम करते हैं. सो द रेकी वॉज टॉट टू मी. दो फर्स्ट शक्तिपात ऑफ रेकी हैपन टू मी, दैट चेंज्ड माई लाइफ. माई एबिलिटी टू हैव द विजन्स एक्टिवेटेड, एंड द फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस और द फर्स्ट विजन्स दैट आई हैड इन द रेकी वॉज माई गॉड हनुमान जी महाराज.
ये कैसे हुआ, इसको आप
सो फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड बॉयज़ यूजुअली आर वेरी मच इंटरेस्टेड और फॉलो हनुमान जी महाराज को फॉलो करते हैं. मैं बचपन से बहुत स्ट्रांगली हनुमान जी महाराज को बिलीव करता था, बिकॉज बीइंग अ डिस्लेक्सिक एंड पीपल ट्रीटिंग मी बैडली एंड ऑल दिस थिंग, आई वॉज हैविंग ए वन पर्सन और वन थिंग, वन एनर्जी विथ हुम आई यूज टू कम्युनिकेट. दैट वॉज हनुमान जी महाराज. To the extent
communicate
that
as in, was it
yeah,
two-sided या
no,
one-sided?
that was not a two-sided thing.
Okay.
हर बच्चा जाके या कोई भी एक बंदा जाके भगवान से बात करता है, मन
मंदिर
हल्का
में
करता है, बात करता है, मन हल्का करता है. मेरा स्ट्रॉन्ग लेवल पे होता था, टू द एक्सटेंट कि मैं झगड़ता था, मैं उनको डांट देता था, क्या ही लगा रखा है ये वो, यानी इतने हद तक भी मैंने बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग लेवल पे किया है. सो समवेयर अराउंड माई इंटरनल थिंग, कैसे कहते हैं कि आप अगर मन से कगर के कुछ बोलते हो तो वो पहुंचती है बात. शायद ऐसा हुआ होगा. तो हनुमान जी महाराज वॉज ए वेरी इनिशियल गॉड जिनका कंपेनियनशिप मुझे हमेशा से रहा है. बट रेकी के शक्तिपात का जब प्रोसेस होता है रेकी का, आपको बिठाया जाता है, एक प्रोसेस किया जाता है एंड आपका एक्टिवेशन होता है.
इसको आप एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो क्या एग्जैक्टली प्रोसेस होता है शक्तिपात का?
होता है. तो रेकी के अंदर क्या होता है, द मास्टर जो आपको रेकी दे रहा होता है, आपके बॉडी में 7 चक्रास है. फर्स्ट ही विल ट्राई टू क्लींस द चक्रा. सो मेजर 7 चक्रास जो है, एवरी पर्सन हैज गॉट सम चक्रास डोमिनेटेड बिकॉज ऑफ द लाइफ पाथ और द थिंग्स हैपनिंग इन योर वर्ल्ड, एंड सम चक्रास आर बीन सप्रेस्ड. तो जो चक्रास ज़रूरी है हमारे सिस्टम्स को एक नॉर्मल लाइफ या बैलेंस लाइफ जीने के लिए, तो रेकी मास्टर्स उन चक्रास को क्लींस करते हैं, एक्टिवेट करते हैं. दूसरा, एक और प्रोसेस के थ्रू आपकी जो मेन थर्ड आई है और ये क्राउन चक्र है, उसे हम उसी को यूज़ करके हम लोग आपको एक्टिवेशन देते हैं. सो वी गिव ए किक स्टार्ट टू योर जर्नी. क्लींजिंग करना और एक सेल स्टार्ट मार देना, ये जनरल फॉर्म में अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए था. लेकिन प्रॉपर एक प्रोसेस होती है उसके अंदर, और वो प्रोसेस मेरे साथ की गई. मैंने वो रैकी का शक्तिपात लिया. सो यू गॉट द आइडिया व्हाट द चक्र, राइट? सो इट्स अ वे ऑफ एक्टिवेशन, और आपका जो चक्र से बैलेंस करके यू गिव इट अ स्टार्ट फॉर अ न्यू जर्नी. उस विजन्स, जो शक्तिपात में जो बंदे को शक्तिपात दिया जाता है, उसकी आंखें बंद होती है. गुरु उसके साथ बैठ के उसको देते हैं, तो दीक्षा की तरह होता है. तो मुझे जब ये शक्तिपात दे रहे थे, फॉर दैट 10 to 15 minutes माई आइज वेर क्लोज्ड. शुरुआत के पीरियड के बाद कुछ समय के बाद मुझे हनुमान जी महाराज बहुत ही क्लियरली दिखने लगे, इतने अलग अलग फॉर्म्स में, एज इफ वो कहीं रॉक पे बैठे हैं, मेरी तरफ देख रहे हैं, कहीं बाहर की तरफ देख रहे हैं, रिवर के अंदर बाथ ले रहे हैं, asking me to have a deep bath in river. Now river bath और ocean के bath में मेरा एक connect है.
A vision that you had.
I was having a very clear vision. जैसे हम टीवी देख रहे हैं ना.
हाँ, ओके. जहाँ पे आप भी और हनुमान जी भी है.
Yes. मैं अभी देखो, मैं इस रूम में हूँ, तो मेरा एक्सटेंशन ऑफ द हैंड है, तो मैं अपने हाथ को देख पा रहा हूँ. Then I'm able to say I am here. बट लेकिन कई बार हम सिर्फ आंखों से देख रहे हैं. जब हम फोटोग्राफी में देखते हैं तो 50 mm का लेंस यूज करते हैं,
रियलिटी होती है वैसे,
राइट? तो आप हो वहां पे, ये आपको फील होता है, लेकिन यू सी अ विजन. तो आई वाज एबल टू सी क्रिस्टल क्लियर, जैसे मैं एक टीवी देख रहा हूँ वैसा क्लियरली मैं उनको फील कर पा रहा था. मैं देख पा रहा था. ही वॉज टेकिंग ए बाथ इन द रिवर, ही वॉज सिटिंग ऑन द रॉक, ही वॉज मेडिटेटिंग एंड आस्किंग मी टू डू मेडिटेशन एंड ऑल. समझ नहीं पा रहा था मैं ये, क्योंकि वो स्टेज ही नहीं था मेरे लिए, क्योंकि इट वॉज अ वेरी फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ मी हैविंग ए गॉड. मैंने अभी तक उनके साथ मंदिर में बात की है, मैंने उनके साथ सिर्फ मंदिरों में झगड़ा हूँ ज़्यादातर. महाराज होते तो झगड़ने भी नहीं मिलता था, वो बोलते थे ये क्या ही चल रहा है, चलो निकले यहाँ से. तो मेरे पास फ़ोटो होता था, मैं कैरी करता था फ़ोटो उनका, हनुमान चालीसा छोटी कैरी करता था. तो ये सारा कन्वर्सेशन होता था, लेकिन मूवमेंट में देखना, इमेजिन या विजन्स को आना फर्स्ट टाइम था. दैट probably was the kickstart for my vision. So today I'm a clairvoyant also. I can see things happening around at different places and all. So I can say that कि हनुमान जी महाराज introduced me to this particular world of visions. तो मेरा activation उनके थ्रू हुआ है. तो that's how the start. लेकिन रेकी सीखने के बाद आई स्टार्टेड हीलिंग पीपल. मैं लोगों को हील करता था, बुखार आया है या कोई बीमारी है तो मैं हील करता था. बट बाय नेचर आई एम अ वेरी क्यूरियस टाइप ऑफ गाय. तो मैं हमेशा कोई चीज़ अगर ऐसा कहा जाए तो मैं ऐसा भी देखता हूँ. I try to do in a different ways also. And one thing, I never try to fit in a frame. मैं rules और उसमें frame में नहीं बैठता. So रेकी में एक प्रॉपर पद्धति दी गई है, मैंने उसको कोई और तरीके से भी ट्राई करना स्टार्ट किया. मैंने कहा अगर ये यहाँ काम कर रही है तो कहीं और क्यों नहीं कर सकती. I started experimenting and I always try to encourage people to play around with the energies when you are in this particular field of healing. Don't get stick to the stereotypes thing. You are born in a different time, different path, different reason. तो कुछ नया करने की कोशिश करो. You never know what activates. What your purpose is, and you meet your purpose. So keep trying new things. ठीक है. तो I started doing that with the Reiki, and my first what do you say breaking thing or something unique happened during my college days time. मैं जब LLB में एडमिशन लिया मैंने तो एक नुसरत करके हमारी क्लासमेट थी. her father was very seriously ill, वो hospitalized थे, and friends knew that I am a Reiki practitioner and all. She asked के why don't you come to give Reiki to my father and try to heal him. So next day हम लोग कुछ फ्रेंड्स के साथ वहाँ गए. मैं रेकी करने के लिए बैठा उनके साथ, और मैंने रेकी करते वक्त मुझे कुछ दिखा. मुझे विजन्स आई कि ही इज़ ऑन शोल्डर ऑफ हिज रिलेटिव्स, ही इज़ पास्ड अवे. और नाउ वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड रेकी इज़ अ यूनिवर्सल एनर्जी लैंग्वेज. And energy has got no limitation, no barrier, no relationships, no religion stuff, no borders, nothing. It is universal.
Free flowing.
Free flowing है, तो उसमें कोई बाधा कहीं कुछ नहीं होती है. तो नुसरत के फादर का मैंने इस तरह से प्रोसेशन होते हुए देखा, उनके रिलीजन में जिस तरह से बॉडी को लेके जाते हैं, मैंने वो चीज़ देखी. एंड आई एम अ वेरी ब्लंट पर्सन व्हेन इट कम्स टू विजन एंड ऑल. आई स्ट्रेट अवे से दैट नाउ आई हैव लर्नड कि मैं उसको थोड़ा हेल्दी वे में रखूँ. लेकिन उस टाइम पे मैं वेरी ब्लंटली मैं बोल देता था. तो स्ट्रेट अवे मैंने ये बताया कि मैंने आपके पापा को ऐसे होते हुए देखा. मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने मुझे खींच के बाहर ले गए कि दिस इज़ नॉट द वे टू से एनीथिंग. किसी को ये नहीं कहना चाहिए. मैं बोला मुझे दिखा है ये, मैं चाहूँगा कि ना हो, लेकिन ऐसा मुझे दिखा है. दे टुक मी, हम लोगों ने थोड़ा वक्त बाहर निकाला. नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग मुझे मॉर्निंग में फ़ोन आया कि नुसरत के पापा पास्ट अवे. एंड आई वाज शॉक्ड. मुझे अब ये क्यूरियोसिटी थी कि मैंने जो देखा क्या वो सही है. मैं तुरंत वहाँ पहुँचा एंड आई ट्राई टू आस्क. नुसरत रोई, वो बहुत सारा हुआ. एंड आई एक्चुअली सॉ ऑलमोस्ट 95% द सेम थिंग. उनके रिलेटिव उनको कंधे पे ले जा रहे हैं, उनके ये प्रोसेस होते हुए मैंने देखी.
इन अ वे आपने फ्यूचर देखा,
कह सकते हैं. बट आई हैड अ विजन. For that period of time, I was having only a vision.
बट ये
Now I can say I am able to say some part of the future. Now again, we need to understand one thing. See, future is not completely pre-decided. That one need to understand. There are always a course of happening of changes of path.
आपके एक्शंस के ऊपर डिपेंड
करता है. So there is a book जिसमें कहते हैं कि हनुमान जी महाराज श्रीलंका में कोई एक ट्राइब है जहाँ पे आके हर 42 ईयर्स में मिलते हैं उनको.
यस, मैंने पढ़ा. आई मीन आई हैव रेड दिस बुक.
हनु समथिंग लाइक दैट. सॉरी, आई रिमेंबर द.
मतलब मैंने इंटरनेट पे पढ़ा है इसके बारे में. करेक्ट.
सो इफ यू रीड दैट बुक, सो उस किताब में लिखा है कि द लाइन और द डिसीजंस दैट यू मेक, या आप जो भी कॉल लेते हैं, देयर आर मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस आउटपुट ऑफ इट. बट पैरेलली यू आर लिविंग दिस लाइफ एट अ डिफरेंट प्लेसेस ऑल्सो, डिफरेंट डायमेंशंस ऑल्सो, राइट. तो मैंने वो होते हुए देखा. द कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन कैन चेंज इफ यू डिसाइड टू डू समथिंग एल्स. मे बी आउटपुट वो ना हो एग्जैक्टली, थोड़ा सिमिलर हो, इम्पैक्ट थोड़ा सा कम ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं, रिजल्ट आउटपुट थोड़ा चेंज कर सकते हैं. बट फ्यूचर एक पाथ पे होता है, वो चेंज हो सकता है. तो मैंने ये होते हुए देखा उनका. मैं पूरी तरह से.
क्या ये हर रेकी प्रैक्टिशनर देख सकता है या दिस वाज आपके लिए?
नो, डिपेंड. सी, आई एम प्रैक्टिसिंग रेकी फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 20 ईयर्स नाउ. एंड मैंने लास्ट 20 ईयर्स के अंदर शायद मैंने किसी के साथ, मैं वैसे भी बहुत कम कम्युनिकेट करता हूँ लोगों से और ये सब, पर मैंने इतना ज़्यादा मैंने शायद नहीं सुना है कि रेकी प्रैक्टिशनर को मैजिकली रेकी प्रैक्टिस करते हुए देखा है मैंने. दे कैन हील यू लाइक मैजिक. ठीक है, आपको लगेगा कि ये चमत्कार हो गया है. तो वो भी मैंने प्रैक्टिस करते हुए लोगों को देखा है. पर विजन्स होते हुए मैंने रेकी के थ्रू. सी, नाउ यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, रेकी के वजह से विजन नहीं आया.
ओके.
शक्तिपात का जो प्रोसेस है, जैसे एक गुरु अपने शिष्य को गुरु दीक्षा देता है, तो वो एक उसके सिस्टम को एक्टिवेट करता है, आपकी एक जर्नी को एक्टिवेट करता है. वो स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी है. जैसे विवेकानंद जी के गुरु ने किया था,
राइट.
उन्होंने उनके छाती पे लात मारी थी और वो दुनिया दिखा दी उनको, एंड ही वाज चेंज्ड. रामकृष्ण परमहंस को पूछा गया उनके शिष्य के थ्रू कि मुझे देखना है ये दुनिया, मैं बिलीव नहीं करता. ही वाज वेरी क्यूरियस गाय. ही हैज द क्वेश्चन, एंड रामकृष्ण परमहंस उनको बिठा के वो वो सारा प्रोसेस दीक्षा वाला कर सकते थे. बट नो, पर्सन टू पर्सन, ह्यूमन टू ह्यूमन, एज पर योर जर्नी, थिंग्स कैन बी डिफरेंट. द वे साइकोलॉजी इज अ साइंस वेयर नथिंग इज फिक्स्ड. जितना अलग दिमाग उतने अलग अलग वे ऑफ ऑपरेशन हो सकते हैं. सेम वे योर वे ऑफ वर्किंग गॉड्स गिफ्ट और योर वे ऑफ हैविंग योर जर्नी ऑफ स्पिरिचुअल और साइकिक पावर्स कैन बी अ डिफरेंट. Not necessary it can happen or can activate it through only one thing. Some people's power activated through some incidents, some accidents, कुछ देख के, कुछ पढ़ के, कुछ realization के through. There are different ways. Mine got activated through this. So that was the first experience that happened. But still there was some skeptical mind going on. मैं पूछ रहा था कि क्या ये सही में ऐसा हो रहा है क्या, बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी चल रही थी. But the second incident that happened during those period, ये हुआ almost 3-4 महीने में ही, 3-1 महीने में ही. मेरी एक फ्रेंड थी जिसकी एक और फ्रेंड है जिसे रात को ये एक्सपीरियंस, शी यूज्ड टू हैव दिस एक्सपीरियंस कि समवन कम्स इन द नाइट एंड पुल्स द बेडशीट.
ओके.
एंड शी केम एंड टोल्ड, अमित, यू हैड सम विजन्स देयर, कैन यू हेल्प आउट इन सम वे. रैंडमली, इट वॉज अ रैंडम, शी वर नॉट श्योर कि आई एम एन एक्सपर्ट इन दैट गाय एंड ऑल दिस थिंग, बट एज अ रैंडम शेयरिंग कि ऐसा हो रहा है. आई सेड, कैन आई गिव इट अ ट्राई, इज इट ओके फॉर यू टू गिव मी अ ट्राई. आई सेड ओके. देन आई आस्क्ड फॉर द फोटोग्राफ ऑफ द फ्रेंड. ठीक है, तो उसने ये बताया कि द फ्रेंड हु इज कमिंग एंड ट्राइंग टू टॉक पास्ट अवे इन सम टाइम. इट्स ओके. देन आई सेट डाउन फॉर द रेकी प्रैक्टिस एंड ऑल, एंड आई वाज सो शॉक्ड. मैंने उस बंदे को गोइंग थ्रू ए बैड थिंग, आई सीन इट, ही वॉज बीन बीटन बैडली, ही वॉज किल्ड,
Okay.
he died not a natural death, he was killed. बट दैट एज एन इंसिडेंट. हम मूवीज़ देखते हैं, सीरीज देखते हैं तो दिमाग में हावी हो सकती है, बट ऐसा मुझे लगा उस वक्त. देन आई स्टार्टेड शेयरिंग द इमेज दैट आई शॉप, जहाँ पे उसकी डेथ हुई, उसके आसपास का फर्नीचर, इंटीरियर. आई आस्क्ड हर कि उसके जो फ्रेंड की डेथ हुई है, डज दे हैव अ पर्टिकुलर फर्नीचर एट होम, क्या वो घर का कलर ऐसा है? इट वॉज एक्यूरेट, पिन पॉइंट एक्यूरेट. 2 दिन तक मैंने ये शेयर नहीं किया, बिकॉज दैट इज अ क्लियर मर्डर केस.
Okay.
या एंड देन मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैंने एक मर्डर मिस्ट्री सॉल्व की है कि क्या. आफ्टर 4-5 days आई केम अप विद दिस कि आई हैव टू शेयर दिस. देन आई शेयर दिस थिंग कि या आई हैव सीन हिम बीइंग किल्ड बाय दिस टाइप ऑफ पर्सन जो इस तरह से दिखता है.
अच्छा, so you also saw the murder?
इमेज ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन ही वाज
Okay.
बीन बीटन आई कैन सी दोस थिंग्स, एंड मैंने देखा है, मैंने उनको बताया कि ऐसा कोई इंसान को इस तरह से करते हुए देखा, यू विल बी शॉक्ड. इनफैक्ट मुझे गुस्बम्स आ रहे हैं. उसने बताया कि उसके मामू है, ये इमेज उनके मामा से बहुत मैच करती है.
Okay.
द डिस्क्रिप्शन, द टाइप ऑफ वे ऑफ बॉडी, द लुक, द फेस, द हाइट, द कलर ऑफ क्लोथ, इसके मामा की है. मैं हिल गया था पूरी तरह से, मैं बहुत बुरी तरह से हिल चुका था उस वक्त. क्योंकि कुछ एक चीज़ देखना और कुछ ऐसा देखना उस पर्टिकुलर चीज़ में जहाँ पे आपकी जर्नी जो स्टार्ट हुई है, दैट शेक्स यू बैडली. देन आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये मेरे साथ क्यों हो रहा है, वाई दिस टाइप ऑफ एक्सपीरियंसेस आर कमिंग. देन अगेन सम पीरियड ऑफ टाइम आई केप्ट ऑन डूइंग रैकी, हीलिंग और ये सब करता रहा मैं. हमारे मंडल का एक केस आया मेरे पास, एंड दिस पर्टिकुलर टाइम आई वॉज कॉल्ड देयर एट द हॉस्पिटल टू गिव हीलिंग टू हर. बट देन आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू गो. मुझे अंदर से आ ही नहीं रही थी फीलिंग कि आई नीड टू गो एंड गिव द रैकी, हील करूँ मैं उसे. ये मेरे अंदर से इतना स्ट्रांगली नहीं आ रहा था, और जब मैं जाने का प्रयास कर रहा था समवॉट यूज्ड टू हैपन, और मैं जा ही नहीं पा रहा था. तो दिस पर्टिकुलर एनर्जी वॉज स्टॉपिंग मी फ्रॉम गोइंग देयर. The thing that I shared, if someone is about to go through a karmic path or karmic process, one cannot interrupt in the karmic process.
इसको
One should not.
simplify करना पड़ेगा आपको कि मतलब exactly what, मतलब
See,
was it an evil energy या in general energy ही नहीं चाहती थी?
honestly speaking, वो फेज मेरा ऐसा था जहाँ पे मैं ये समझ नहीं पाऊँ कि क्या वो evil energy थी या good energy थी, क्या वो गॉड्स का कॉल था या मेरे अंदर का आलसपना था, या मैं ही was not taking a call. But somewhere around, later on, I'll share this thing why I was not able to go. Later on, I came to know. Now I know when you are going through something in your life. Now, whenever some cases are coming to me, I ask the energy world, the God, which I'm a sadhak of God. तो मुझे जब वहाँ से कॉल मिलता है कि you are not supposed to get into this case, I straight away say no. क्योंकि मुझे ना कहा गया है. तो उस टाइम पे मेरा वो कन्वर्सेशन नहीं था.
Okay.
तो मुझे बाय सम रीजन, सम वेज, नॉट बीन अलाउड टू गेट इनटू दिस पाथ.
मतलब now you understand कि gods नहीं चाहते थे कि आप उस
कैसा है कि यू आर बोर्न फॉर ए पर्पस, एंड योर लाइफ पाथ इज बीन चूजन सम वे बाय यू, समथिंग टू हैपन विथ यू बिकॉज ऑफ योर कर्मास एंड ऑल. देन ये कर्म के जो जर्नी में मैं आपको मदद कर सकता हूँ रियलाइज करने में कि ये आपकी कार्मिक जर्नी है, आपको समझना होगा ये आपके साथ हो रहा है, उसके पीछे का ये रीज़न है. पर मैं ये नहीं कर सकता कि आपके रास्ते में आके आई स्टॉप दोज थिंग्स हैपनिंग फ्रॉम यू. हु एम आई टू डू दैट?
राइट.
I cannot take, I am not an authority, that type of person who can change the life person. Okay, ये इंसान मरने वाला है, okay, I don't, ये नहीं मरेगा. Who am I? I don't have those powers.
You can just guide people.
I can help. See, you need to accept it. This is your life journey. You have to happily accept करो उसे. तो your journey will become easy. तो probably I was not allowed to get into healing process because I was having some good results. मुझे बहुत अच्छे results मिल रहे थे healing के अंदर. थायराइड के केसेस में मुझे बहुत अच्छा मिला था, ब्लड प्रेशर में मिले हैं, बहुत टाइफाइड है, मलेरिया है, डेंगू के केसेस में बहुत अच्छे अच्छे रिजल्ट्स उस वक्त मिल रहे थे व्हेन आई वाज गिविंग हीलिंग.
अच्छे रिजल्ट्स मिल रहे थे मतलब
आई वाज एबल टू हील देम वेरी फास्ट.
तो लेट मी आस्क यू हियर कि एग्जैक्टली हाउ डू यू हील, मतलब क्या प्रोसेस होता है, आप हील कैसे करते हैं?
आई विल गिव एन अगेन क्वेश्चन. if you see a small dog on the raste mein aap, if you see a small dog and it's been injured because of some accident or something, what are your first feeling? What are your first feeling?
I would feel sorry for the dog and I would want to help it.
Exactly. Now you want to heal, want to help, you want to treat that dog. What will you do?
I'll
You
just-
will, as
First
per
aid
your
kit,
knowledge,
yeah.
exactly. But now when you know that there are other ways of also healing when you are able to deal with the energy.
Hmm.
Most of the, illness that we have in our life are basically psychochromatic symptoms.
Correct. Huh.
Right? Because of the thought process or the surrounding, those are impacting our life and those are bringing those illness. So when you are able to understand this thing, why don't you try to heal the cause? You heal the energy around you. You heal the aura. You heal the reasons behind it. You heal it. That's how we heal people. When it comes to Reiki, we try to understand. See, now I can see exactly the color of the aura, of the chakra. Whichever chakra is been imbalanced. I can see, I can tell you, okay, आपके 7 chakras and every chakra has got a particular color. Right? And if there is any predominant color or imbalanced color, that tells that something is wrong with that particular chakra. And then what we do is that we try to fix it. We try to help you to balance those
So
chakra.
आप मतलब randomly अगर आप किसी इंसान को देखते हो, you can see the color of the chakras.
I can.
Okay.
I can. So that's a different story that I'm not supposed to convey everything to everyone. पहले मैं कर देता था. मैं randomly बोलना शुरू कर देता.
आपको पता नहीं था कि
It was a new journey. तो I was trying to help people. यार मैं बताऊं तेरे साथ ये हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है. But then somewhere around you're spending your energy. आप खर्च कर रहे हो. आपको समझना होगा कहाँ खर्च करना है, कहाँ नहीं, किसके साथ करना है. If he is going through a karmic path, you're not supposed to. ये सारा later on journey में समझ में आया.
What exactly karmic path आपने बहुत बार इस टर्म का यूज किया. Karmic path क्या है exactly?
I think इसका explanation में थोड़ा एक there is again when I'll try to explain you the purpose of a soul to come on this planet. That time I will explain you exactly.
Got it.
I'm very much clear. I'm going to share this thing. I want to actually because I remember when you asked me when I don't have any attachment why you are doing this podcast, why you want to do that. The major reason for this particular podcast is that for a long period of time I was cut out from the people. I don't want to have a conversation with people. I in fact used to throw away people away from me.
I think so. You should also talk about कैलाश कंठ आप गए थे.
मैं अभी किन्नौर कैलाश जाके
किन्नौर कैलाश राइट.
तो मैं आई हैव डन माय पंच केदार, पंच बद्री. आई हैव ट्रैवल्ड टू अ लॉट ऑफ माउंटेन्स बिकॉज ऑफ अ गाय हितेश जी करके. हितेश ही इज एन एडवोकेट. वो मेरे एक तरह के मेंटर है. I have traveled to all those places with him. Because of him, I was somewhere around introduced to this spiritual journeys through walking. He has something to say. So now, this particular time, before going, he was going to Kinnor Kailash. He has done Panch Kedar, Panch Badri, Panch Kailash. This particular Kailash is pending. So he was going for Kinnor Kailash. Before 3 months, this ticket was booked. And before leaving, only 3 दिन पहले, he was knowing that I am involved in some projects, so I am not available. So he didn't call me. उनको पता चला कि मैं available हूँ, मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ वो project अब. तो he called me on the very next morning. किन्नौर कैलाश जा रहे हैं हम लोग, तुम चल रहे हो.
Okay, so पूछा नहीं. He just told.
He has got this authority. He randomly says that because he knows something. He is also a spiritually very high-end person. He's having a very wonderful journey and his connect with the God and spiritual journey is very high. He knows what is going on with me at times. He straight away he talks to me in that.
Okay.
So he said me कि किन्नौर कैलाश चल रहे हो. He booked my ticket and by God's grace, 1 or 2 tickets were only available and my ticket was booked. So before going to Kinnor Kailash, exactly 1.5 months before, I got a stroke.
Okay.
Type of attack, heart attack, something. I was having a very strong, for 15-20 minutes, days I was bedridden and I was having a very bad health and all. So that too for a reason happened. Now I have just recovered from this thing. 15 ही दिन और उसके बाद फिर 1 महीना जैसे यानी 1.25 महीना मेरे पास है. एंड नाउ किन्नौर कैलाश इज वन ऑफ द टफेस्ट कैलाश यात्रा.
Right.
If you see the videos of Kinnor Kailash, it's very tough, damn
Correct,
tough.
correct.
अच्छा खासा निचोड़ जाता है इसमें. And walking for this long, ठीक है. But before और मेरे पास 2 दिन थे. Exactly before one day, I started getting a vision. And मुझे visions आते हैं तो वो I got this vision कि this time I am going for Kinnor Kailash. I am not going to return back. मैं वापस नहीं आने वाला. Very clear. To the extent when I dropped my daughter to school, I cried. Probably this was the last time I'm seeing her. I was okay. I went back, and when I was getting my train, I conveyed this thing to my home. See, I got this vision, and before one night also I said, but not in a very clear form. But while leaving, I said, I'm not going to come back. I have had a vision. You people take care of yourself. And they called and they contacted this guy Hitesh ji and said के ऐसा ऐसा. And Hitesh ji को मैंने बहुत clearly 2 दिन पहले ही I said him when he said that के जाना है उसके
आपने
exactly
उनको
1 दिन के
पहले
बाद
बता दिया था।
मैंने उनको बता दिया सी मुझे ये विजन मिला है but still I want to go. कि if there is a journey and if this is what my life path is, let it happen. तो okay, if this is your journey, so the way I said, you cannot change the entire future. Life path can be changed up to some extent. So this thing was very clear, and I told him, and I messaged the same thing to 3 of my friends. See, probably I will not return back. You people have to take care of family and regularly आके पूछना and all this thing. So किन्नौर कैलाश की जर्नी में 3 times I was blackout. It's like मेरी BP शूट हुई.
Okay.
मैं completely blackout होके गिर गया स्टोन पे. मैं गिरा हूँ ऐसा 3 बार हुआ. किन्नौर कैलाश में there is a path called गणेश पार्क. फर्स्ट पड़ाव आपका वहाँ होता है. Then late night you start climbing for किन्नौर कैलाश in the night 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. The 16 hours walk. High altitude है वो है. Next morning when we are leaving, this guy हितेश जी उनका जूता टूट गया. His shoes broke down. He suddenly said, "We are not going. We are going to come back." After coming back to the tent, he asked me, "Did you ever felt like you don't want to go to Kinnor Kailash और नहीं जाना है ना?" ऐसा thought आया. मैं बोला मुझे रत्ती भर भी नहीं आया. Because I know I am clear about my journey. Today I am I'm actually very happy, contented person. I'm free to leave type of person. I'm blessed. Because of some reasons of the journey that I had, I'm very clear about it. No particular attachment with the material thing and all. I'm very light in my life. So I said, I'm okay. I don't have any problem. But we are not going. Let's go down. In 15-20 minutes or half an hour, we took the rest. तब जाके मुझे नींद आई. For last 2.5-3 days, मैं सोया नहीं हूँ ठीक से.
Okay.
I was not sleeping properly. But at Ganesh Park, also एक नाइट पहले जब हम आए थे मैं नहीं सो पाया था. But after when he said, मुझे नींद आ गई. And I slept very well. Very well. As a sound sleep. No reasons. And he brought me back. While coming back, and जब वो last का half an hour, 1 hour रहा था, I asked him, "Did you forcefully brought me back?" He laughed at me. I said, "What is the reason?" He said, "I'll tell you. There is something." That's it.
So what was the reason?
Still waiting for it.
नहीं बताया अभी तक.
ज़्यादा दिन हुए नहीं हैं. We didn't have much of conversation. I'm still waiting.
Okay.
So.
But आपके according आपको क्या लगता है क्या हो सकता है?
See, I'm writing a book of animal communication and all. So it's half done. Now again, writing about the animal communication book has got a reason. It's not my. I don't wanted to do that. Initially, I wanted one period of time, but then because I said मैं लोगों से cut हो गया हूँ, I was having zero type of conversation with the people and all. Now other dimension people tried to contact me. This thing actually happened.
Other dimension as in?
I'll tell you. See, I've seen myself in other planet also, sitting ideally at one corner of a house. This is very unique, strange type of things of the visions that I used to have. But this particular conversation is very clear. I had 2 people having a height of around 14 to 15 feet. They made me walk on a ground. फिर धीरे से we entered into garden type of area. They made me sit down. And they said me that you are supposed to write. You have to write. I have shared this thing with the group with who I am doing paranormal investigation on. I have shared this thing with them. Also, WhatsApp group. I had this conversation with them. They said, yeah, it's a purpose. And somewhere around, if you are supposed to do something, if some message is there, there has got some reason, and someone will come in your life and tell those things. That happens to people. This happened to me, and they said that you have got enough material to do that. But don't do it in a form of commercial way.
Right.
Make it in a form of spreading a message around. Then I thought, okay, whatever conversation I had with the animals, whatever they shared their part, their role in the life, and they coming in our life and what our journey. Even the animals have communicated with me clearly, saying that you human beings are not knowing what purpose you are having on this world and what you people are doing.
Okay.
We have a very clear communication that way. So why don't you note down those things? And I'm supposed to mention it. So this book is covering everything. My introduction to this world, why I came in this world, about communication world, my cases that I have taken care of, the techniques of animal communication. I teach animal communication the way I am teaching Reiki also. I'm a Reiki grandmaster, I teach Reiki. Same way I teach animal communication. Then those techniques, how to see, now again, having animal communication, you don't have to be a very big sadhak or any psychic powers or something like that. Any layman can do animal communication. It is that simple. So animals are very open for communication, conversation and all. It's just that we are not ready to sit down and come to their level and have a communication. So those things I am trying to break down. Then the messages from them, the incidents that happened, the reasons behind those things. So I'm covering all those part in that book. So that message was sent to me. So that book is incomplete. I'm going to complete that book in some period of time. Probably that can be the reason. There are some still conversations going on with the other dimensional things. Some activity now I'm starting doing new. I'm not revealing right now, but I'm experimenting and I'm doing some research in some particular area. Probably that may be the reason. Or time nahi aaya mera. Anything. I don't know.
So why this podcast? मैंने आपको कॉल पे भी ये चीज़ पूछी थी.
The message which I will be giving or trying to convey through this medium of a podcast, which I was being conveyed. I'm always repeating this particular line, the purpose of the soul. So you need to understand, you taking birth as you and living this particular life as you has a reason behind it. Our souls take birth either for learning something, either for guiding some purpose, or as a karmic path to be washed out. So that is the reason it. Something I have done in my life, the journey that I had, I got some messages, the reasons that I understood, that has taken away me from the attachment, worldly attachment, materialistic attachment and all. I want people to understand what you are running behind the materialistic world, the gadgets or the fancy things and all this thing, is stopping you from reaching and having your journey. Maya.
Right.
Maya is the Kali Yuga. We were talking about the Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga mein kya aisa alag hai? Maya. Some people know it, but they are not able to do it. So we'll have a very explanation about it. So this is what the reason that I thought, okay, this can be one of the reason. In fact, recently I was very far away from my wildlife photography stuff and all. I used to post a lot of photographs. But then one time when I was traveling to Goa with a couple of friends, whole night I was driving the car at that time. So whole night I was having this thought process. They both were sleeping. Next day morning, I asked this friend of mine, what if I get one of the best wildlife photograph? फिर क्या? फिर क्या? Best likes मिलेंगे, इतने सारे लोग follow करेंगे तुझे, you will be very famous and all. Then what? बस यही. सिर्फ इसके लिए? That hit me. Then slowly I stopped posting the photographs and all. Okay, because of the name, fame, like and all this thing, this is not what I want to do. And I was not feeling comfortable again. I was not happy doing those things, going back and seeing. There was a time when I also got into this cycle. मैं कुछ ऐसा एकदम से नहीं हुआ हूँ, but I was also a part of this same race. But somewhere थकने लगा था मैं. Somewhere around you should get tired of doing this. And the day when you get tired of doing this thing, you'll realize I'm done with it. This is not what I'm supposed to do. Day doing or a job and all this thing, you get tired, you need to understand this is not what you are supposed to do. You're forcefully doing it. It's okay. It's very understood that for living, you need to earn money. But now you are into, do you know how much do you need in a way? Kitna chahiye? You need to understand it. Then rest of the time, you need to understand the journey is pending, boss. There is a lot of things that you're supposed to do in this lifespan. You need to realize, and the best part is that your internal journey is still pending. When are you going to have that? तो ये realization होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And I started understanding, and I stopped having conversation, communication, and again, see, all this thing is coming very fast. When I started and when I have a conversation and a meeting with the goddess Kali, I started doing sadhana of goddess Kali a lot. And it's very clear when you are doing goddess Kali's upasana or sadhana in a very serious level, she will first thing will not allow you to do anything wrong, which will stop you from going in the right path of the spiritual journey. Second, she will take away those people from your life who are stopping you or who are as a barrier in your journey of spiritual path. She will stop those things for a good reason, because you chose to have this path. That I will tell you one very wonderful incident of mine. So that started happening. But when I got this idea, before this podcast, I also got some invitation here before also, but that didn't happen. But then this particular podcast, I got an idea where I can at least communicate these things to this particular medium to the people, the purpose of life or your soul. That's the reason I want to do this podcast. I decided, okay, let's have this podcast. So recently I have created my Instagram page just before 4 days. Now I kuch post nahi kiya, nothing has been prepared here. I'm thinking about making small videos out of it where I will be able to communicate with the people to make them understand the journey, the experiences, the stories or the incident that happened, which may help people to understand, which they can connect in their life and they can understand and they can realize, okay, I can bring some good changes. So I'm trying to do those things. The Instagram name is the Soul Whisperer Amit, something like that. Okay. I'm still very initial stage, so I'm planning to do that. Probably that can be a reason. My journey is still pending.
Right. जब हमने पॉडकास्ट स्टार्ट किया, यू सेड कि प्रॉबली मतलब यू वर टेलिंग मी कि यू विल राइट अ बुक एंड पीपल विल गेट द मैसेज. सो इट्स बीन अ ड्रीम. द होल purpose why I'm doing a podcast is that I want to have as many conversations as I can have, because I genuinely enjoy having conversations and I really want to write that book. I don't know how you said that and why you said that, but I was spooked उस टाइम पे जब आपने वो बोला.
दिख जाती है.
तो because and ये चीज़ मैंने किसी को बताई नहीं. It's been since I think so 2019 2018. So
ठीक है, just joke.
But a lot of people, उन्हें पता नहीं होता उनके लाइफ का पर्पस क्या है, एंड उसके पीछे बहुत सारी रीजंस है. फर्स्टली एज यू सेड कि माया, तो बहुत सारे लोग तो उसी में मतलब छुपे रहते हैं या उसी के अंदर पड़े रहते हैं. इफ़ यू आस्क मी व्हाट इज़ माई पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ, आई डोंट रियली नो कि पर्पस क्या है. आई जस्ट नो कि अभी मैं जो कर रहा हूँ उसमें मैं बहुत एन्जॉय कर रहा हूँ एंड आई वॉन्ट टू कंटिन्यू दिस फॉर एज लॉन्ग एज आई कीप एन्जॉइंग दिस. बट इवन आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स द हाइएस्ट पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ. तो हाउ डू यू
interrupting. See, when we talk about our particular journey from a regular routine life, we straightforward imagine to directly बड़ा jump मार लेते हैं. We become ideal a very big guru or a big leader, या हम बहुत बड़े इंसान बन जाते हैं, सरस्वती बन जाते हैं. Then we either become a very good son. Why you have to be the best or a big name or a famous person? You can bring change in few people's life. You never know. That can be the purpose of your life. You don't have to be a very famous person or famous celebrity or something like that to influence people. You at a period of time at this particular level, you are doing a wonderful job by allowing some people to talk, some people to communicate to the world around. You never know, from their conversation some people are getting influenced, some people are getting motivated and diverted to do some good job.
Okay.
You never know that thing. So what you are doing, your purpose, if you realize, okay, this is my reason, and if you pick out some very wonderful incidents and stories and journeys out of your entire conversation or the podcast that you did your entire lifestyle, and then you note down those things, and those things can change people's life. Or the younger generation who may, you never know. यार अभी के generations are so much into gadgets and instruments and technology and all this thing. They are not spending time with themselves also, not spending time to understand the life paths जो हमने सीखी है खेल के या लोगों के साथ मिल के, और वो सारा जो bonding create करना, that they are not doing those things.
Right.
Those people may read your book and that can change life. So you never know what's the reason.
Yeah.
So keep doing this job, whichever keeps you.
One thing which I learned was कि as long as you enjoy doing certain things, you keep doing that. And आपने जैसे बोला कि when you feel tired, then probably it's time to move on from that.
Exactly. So that kept happening with me in a lot of professions, and I kept on changing those things. Now I'm been cornered to this particular field. I realized, okay, I'm in this particular area. See, I had a lot of experiences in my life with the souls, paranormal, telepathic communications, then energy feeling, energy world, then animal telepathy, and all the thing. Now when I sit down and I realize, okay, whatever happened for a reason, that I understand, and I convey the conclusion of it, so that people may understand in a very layman language. And again, me having a dyslexia, I don't come up with very technical type of thing. I come up with a very simple thing, so that any layman can understand. That is the only effort that I'm trying to make. Okay, I should be able to convey this thing in as simple as it is, but still people should be able to understand the main part of the heart of core of it. So the incident that I was talking about, this mandal people wanted me to heal that person, that lady, and I was not able to reach there. I didn't reach there. And when I sit down in the home to do the reiki, मैं घर पे बैठ के करने का कोशिश किया. I saw her wearing this flowers on hand, on the head, गले में माला, white color की माला, white साड़ी and all. She's walking in a plain ground. वाइट टिश एकदम अच्छा सा वीट, जब वीट पक जाते हैं, राइस पक जाते हैं, तो द पैडीफील्ड कितना मस्त ब्यूटीफुल एकदम लश होता है, एकदम से बढ़िया. शी वॉज वॉकिंग इन दैट पर्टिकुलर पाथ, एंड दैट साइन इज नॉट अ गुड साइन फॉर. सो दैट्स अ साइन वेयर अ सोल इज लिविंग इन ए ट्रांजिट मोड.
ओके,
ठीक है,
मतलब बॉडी के बाहर है एंड
एस्ट्रल फॉर्म. हाँ, एंड नेक्स्ट डे अगेन आई गॉट दिस, ये सारा नेक्स्ट डे ही होता है. नेक्स्ट डे अगेन आई गॉट दिस मैसेज, शी पास्ड अवे.
ओके.
Then I realized, now slowly I was able to understand. Now till now मुझे समझ में आने लगा था कि this all visions are coming for a reason. What is about to happen? Some conversations are happening with the energy world. They are showing me the answers in a form of visions. I need to understand to interpret in a healthy way. There were a lot of time when I used to interpret wrong. My visions used to fall wrong, but visions were not wrong, never. See, energies will never communicate with you in a wrong way.
आप किस तरह से इंटरप्रेट करते हो,
Exactly. We need to understand, we need to learn to interpret in a right way.
One thing which I want to ask, I'm curious about, what happens when you get these visions? मतलब, is it like you go into some other zone, or you are just like probably sitting अभी जैसे है उसी इसमें, you enter into some another zone or dimension and you see those things?
No, see, when I sit down to and start having, now तो I can have, अभी बैठा I can start having visions.
Okay.
ठीक है, but then I don't go, because now I have very much processed it out, and I'm able to understand, okay, this is the thing happening related to this particular person. I ask the question straight away, and I'm trying to get the answers. Show me something related to this person. Now I don't ask exact future or anything related. I ask very general question, and then I try to understand it, and some images are very particularly shown me. ये ऐसा होगा, ये ऐसा है, या इसके पीछे का ये चीज़ है, या ये उसका बैकग्राउंड है. I started seeing the past also at times, related to the present, why it's happening. I'm able to understand it, why it's happening. वो visions भी clearly आते हैं.
Okay.
One particular incident, this guy came to me and he said that कि दादा बहुत ज़्यादा problem हो रहा है, my wife is fighting with me constantly, we are having very big quarrels and all this thing. Do something. See my kundali and all. That time I learned the astrology and all. So see my kundali and tell me what's happening, what can be the remedy and all this thing. I sat down and the first thing randomly, and before getting the vision, this download happened, and I told, did she show some messages in your phone? From where it's coming? Randomly it came. And that time, initially I learned it, that those things when those conversations are happening and those things are coming, I'm not in complete control of myself. I don't process it. I don't try to keep words. I don't try to add words. Those are coming generally, and it's coming randomly. And I said that, दादा आपको कैसे पता? मेरी वाइफ ने बताया आपको? I said, I don't know your wife. I met you for the first time today. ठीक है? हाँ दादा ऐसा हुआ. I said, that is the conclusion. You are doing something somewhere. Your wife caught you. Till the day when your wife didn't caught you, it was completely okay. Now she caught you. It's very obvious that she may react to it. That's your path of doing this way. You chose to do that.
Right.
You deal with it. If you need any help or to understand it, I'm ready to help you out. But you pulled out all the things. Carry the load.
So is it possible for you to tell me something about me, like just ऐसे ही sitting, like without?
किताब का तो बता दिया.
हाँ.
After this podcast, if you are interested in knowing, I can sit down. Can let you know the time period when it will come.
So it's actually happening. I mean, I was just
It's
joking.
happening.
Okay.
And this thing happened with this Hitesh ji also.
Okay.
When he was writing his first book, so he has written 3 books on astrology.
Probably we'll have him on the podcast आपके through.
Anytime.
Yeah.
Very wonderful person, but he's a very less talkative person. He's a very rude type of guy.
Okay.
Not in a healthy
Straightforward.
way. Straightforward in a healthy way. So he wrote 3 books on astrology, and he's a PhD in law. ठीक है. So he was writing his book कि ये बुक हो गई मेरी. मैं बोला ये this is not going to stop here. आपकी इतनी बुक और आ रही है करके. And random बात करते करते I said, he has now written 7 books.
Wow.
And he's still planning to write down the book. And he tries to show me, okay, ये cover ठीक है, ये क्या है. We are talking in a different vibration, a different level now.
Right.
Because somewhere around we have cleared it out. Because his journey with me is not of only this life. I used to understand. See, he is a very clear person. He believes in astrology, and he has seen particular some grahas on particular house. That's the reason he's talking with me and he's having connect. That's what he's saying.
Okay.
Otherwise, he will not talk with me. He's very clear. That's what I came to know from his mouth. But then I believe I have a different connect from past life also with him.
Right.
And that's the reason till today we are having this very spiritual or different level conversations.
Yep.
He guides me. I understand him at times. And now whenever we meet first time, the first question that he asks, कौन सा कलर है? He straight away asked me, मेरा कौन सा कलर चल रहा है? This is what the question.
But what does that mean? कौन सा कलर? मतलब
Aura.
off the camera तो आपने मुझे बताया था.
Yeah.
But for
So
people.
He asked me, मेरा aura का कौन सा कलर दिख रहा है अभी?
So हर कलर का भी कुछ अलग मीनिंग होता है.
100%. The way I say it, every chakra has got a particular color from your Muladhara till your Sahasrara chakra, the crown chakra. Every aura has got chakra has got a color, and whenever any particular chakra is imbalanced, so science related to those chakras has been shown. Now every chakra has got the body part, physical thing, and your astral way of the energy level also been affected. So that shows your mindset also. So I am able to now understand with this particular chakra, this is happening. This I try to help people or try to understand. Now he taught me. He said, "Why don't you learn astrology so that you can cross-check your readings and you can come up to a conclusion also through the. This will help you to understand the journey of a person."
Correct.
And he taught me. Actually, my astrology has been taught by him.
Okay.
He taught me the astrology and all. Then I started seeing the astrology thing and understanding the people's journey.
Yep.
Then I'm able to connect the dots. ये हुआ है, ये हो रहा है, ये यहाँ जा रहा है.
Right.
Then my study of past life helped me. Then I go in that person's past life to understand the thing. Okay. ये फिर मुझे पिक्चर दिखता है. हाँ, ये जर्नी ऐसी जा रही है.
Probably.
But I'm not supposed to tell him everything.
Correct.
You're not
I get
supposed
that.
to.
Yeah. मतलब.
I'm just trying to help him out with the
Right.
journey, not to change his karmic.
Because if you tell them कि क्या होने वाला है तो वो
क्या होने
path
वाला से
change हो
ज़्यादा
सकता है.
उसका path change होने से ज़्यादा I am not supposed to play that particular role in that person's life.
And if you are supposed to play that role, then आप बता देते हो.
Yes, if I am allowed to.
Allowed to by whom?
Now for me my pure thing that guides me, helps me the permissions, my goddess Kali.
Goddess Kali.
And I ask her.
I have to ask you this. मैंने मतलब सुना, I don't know कि कितना सच है, but people who worship to goddess Kali, they are into tantra vidya, they are into black magic. So I don't know exactly क्या है. That's why I'm genuinely asking you this.
Goddess Kali is very much believed to have connected with the Tantra Vidya. The Tantra, the Aghoris and the Tantra practitioners worship Goddess Kali at a different level with different ways of worshipping. Now, वामाचार और दक्षिणाचार ये दो पद्धति है हमारे Indian Sanatan Dharma to practice the technique of tantras and vidyas and getting spiritual journeys and all. Spiritual journey particularly. So Vamachar is particularly the way through which you take a shortcut, small type of part, but that takes you to the different level of energy practice, tantra vidyas, and they use it more for the black magic and all this thing. Not exactly. Again, the way you use it, it's how that. But that's a journey where you will find it fast. Dakshinachar is the way of having paddhati where you worship God in a pure form, in the pure way, in proper mantras jap hai, proper paddhati and all this thing, and you get the worship, you got the blessing of the goddess Kali or any god, and then you have it. That is a pure way that continues with you for a longer period of time of your journey,
Okay.
for lifespan also. ठीक है. But this thing, if you get it very fast, you tend to use it for wrong way or wrong work, then your power has been misused in that way. Then that result you have to go through.
Okay, got it.
So this is the way. So goddess Kali's way of you is, she's a goddess, goddess Shakti, way of form of tantric vidya and everything. But then how you use it? Technology is way. How you use it? You're making use of podcast, spreading messages. People use it for what do you say, breaking out the accounts, hijacking, what's the hacking, sorry. So hacking, they are doing hacking, pornography, then other things, they get into that direction. That is the wrong way of technology. How you use it, the power. So goddess Kali is goddess Kali. She is in the purest form.
Yeah.
I saw her for the first time in my life in a different way. It can be a different way. I took it in a different way. Because my past life journey was happening, she came at that particular time, entered in my life. She shown me the path to continue on that path.
So for those who are listening, we are going to do a separate podcast about Amit ji's conversations with gods and previous life, past life wali cheeze. In this particular podcast, so I asked you this particular question क्योंकि misconceptions होते हैं लोगों के कि मतलब कोई अगर काली माँ की पूजा कर रहा है तो दे आर डेफिनेटली इनटू ब्लैक मैजिक, मतलब तंत्र विद्या को भी लोग थोड़ा नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट से ही देखते हैं.
It's because the healthy way is not conveyed to everyone. See, first thing you need to understand the concept about the tantra vidya and all these things or spiritual things are in your mind or general people's mind through mass media, the movies or the series and all this thing, right? Now normally people are not that free enough to get or do research in that direction or do and try to understand. Our Vedas, Upanishads and Puranas and all these things tells about this thing, the use of it. Now when you are being shown in this way, now horror movie बताई जाती है, धम बजाना, musics and all this thing, and every time when you see a horror movie or any podcast related to paranormal thing is happening, a skull has been kept here, which I can see there.
Yeah, हमने भी रखा था.
Right. So why skull, man?
Yeah.
You are having a conversation with the soul or the paranormal thing. Why every paranormal has to be scary?
Yeah. It is not supposed to be कि हर कोई dark ही हो.
Exactly. The way I said, when I used to have the investigations and all those things, I have met the souls who have shared very wonderful stories about their life. Good, happy stories. That was a part of their life. Paranormal thing or the soul's thing that we come to know, or the imprint that remains there with the memories and all, why can't it be good also? So I have seen the bad and good both part. So those were just the part of your life journey.
Yeah.
What you either choose to take or what it happened with you, because you choose to have it.
Okay.
Right? Which I'll explain the purpose of life and all.
Right.
Right? So the way it is, the goddess Kali is she is a giver of power, or whoever is the sadhak, she helps them to have this journey with some blessings of powers of tantra knowledge and all. What you want it and how you use it is up to you. It's not always about black magic or now our Sanatan Dharma में अघोरी शब्द एक इस्तेमाल होता है. So now whenever they are talking about the अघोरी, they show darker side, the dead bodies पे उनका साधना करना. That is a part of it. Because now dead body पे वो साधना करते हैं because every body के 5 layers में prana, the prana leaves our body in the 5 stages. The last stage in which the prana is there, it is for a longer period of time. And that time the dead body is in the what do you say, हमारे स्मशान में होता है. That is the time when the last part of the प्राण का इस्तेमाल अघोरी कर सकते हैं उनके तंत्र साधना के लिए. That's the reason they sit on that and they do all the rituals and all. They are doing a ritual actually.
शव साधना जो बोलते हैं.
So those are the part of the rituals. So every ritual we need to first understand it in a logical way. The reason for this particular thing. Now see. Now you came out with these topics. So in our part of the Gujarat where I live, I've seen a lot of people who claim that माता जी उनको आती है, देवी आती है, right? जिनको भुआ भी बोलते हैं. And I have seen people who are sadhak of those vidyas. तो उनको वो लोग मेली विद्या भी कहते हैं. Now मेलडी माँ एक बहुत famous goddess है. Now there are a lot of मेलडी माँ. उगते सूरज वाली मेलडी माँ है, स्मशानी मेलडी माँ भी है.
कौन है मिलेडी माँ?
So Melody Ma is she's a goddess.
Hmm.
And her vidya is majorly used for black magic and
Okay.
tantra vidya and all this thing. Now in Kali Yuga, these gods are having more power, and those roles will play more faster compared to the Lord Shiva, Krishna and all, Ganesha and all, because Kali Yuga है. इस युग में इन पावर्स को, इन गॉड्स को दिस पर्टिकुलर फील्ड में दिया जाता है. नाउ मेली विद्या में इन गॉड्स को क्यों जाना है? मेलडी माँ, वर्ड इटसेल्फ से महली माँ, महली शब्द उसमें आ रहा है. तो मेलडी यानी महली एरिया के अंदर कुछ गॉड्स कुछ पर्टिकुलर फॉर्म में ही काम कर सकते हैं. लाइक गॉड का जो शिवा है, शिवा का एक तत्व है भैरव. और भैरव तत्व, देर आर 64 भैरव्स, राइट. मेन 8 भैरव्स हैं,
करेक्ट.
other bhairavs are there. So some bhairavs are there which are used on the tantra vidya and all this thing. Lord Shiva has got other side also, which are related to the souls and ghost and related, because he is a god of all forms. So Lord Shiva is seen in the good form also. All the way he has all the ways. हम उनकी वो एक फॉर्म भी देखते हैं भैरव के थ्रू, तंत्र विद्यास and all this thing, रुद्र अवतार, रुद्र areas and all. But Lord Shiva is also there. Same way, such god and goddesses are there. We can ultimately, I think we can have a complete different podcast on this particular gods.
Which we will be after this one.
मेलडी माँ है, सिकोतर है, बाल सिकोतर है, सदी सिकोतर है, this और गोगा महाराज है. These all are the gods which these people use for Meli Vidya or black magic stuff and all. So they are more used in this particular direction. Ultimately, they are God. When you worship a god, God is happy on you. You can ask, those blessings can be used for a good thing also.
Okay.
For curing, for healing. That's your use.
Right. मतलब आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है आप किस तरह से यूज करते
Ultimately depend on you.
हो. वो ब्लैक है या वाइट है whatever, वो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता
Word दिया गया है. Because in that direction there is this path where it has been used in this way. Ultimately that person could have used for the better cause also. Witchcraft, Shiva, I believe he talked about the witchcraft. Now witchcraft can be done for the good thing also, bad thing also. But now always we believe, because now again human conception है, wrong, negative ये सारी जल्दी याद रहती है और वो सब. Now that power can be used for the good thing, वो क्यों नहीं याद आता? We don't talk much about that. We are happy discussing all those things. Those are fascinating things. So that's how my journey kept on happening. And at this particular point, I was introduced with some other thing. That is where I started having this telepathic communications, telepathic experiences with the thing. I again started practicing and experimenting it to a level where I sat down at one place. I started sending messages to people sitting at far distance. पुणे में मेरे एक फ्रेंड को I messaged him and he came up with a call. मतलब what were you do? मुझे पता नहीं, एकदम से thought आया तुम्हारा and you मुझे लगा you want to say something. क्या हुआ, कुछ काम था कुछ ऐसा? He called me. I said I was practicing telepathy.
So you can do this to anyone.
You can also do this.
How?
Very simple way. Sit down, come to a frequency of energy, vibrate at a particular frequency, connect with the universe thing. Now it's an umbrella. You can connect with anyone. Distance Reiki. Distance Reiki is basically you're sitting at one spot, you're giving Reiki to some other who's sitting in any corner of the world. You can still heal them because you're sending those energies in a telepathic way. Telepathy, I believe, I remember one of my friend when we were having some group business meetings and all this thing, and I was doing this thing, telepathy, I was research work में था. I said, next new discovery or invention will be in the field of telepathy, where we will be able to communicate with anyone without mobile. That will be a big thing. And after 5-7 years now, I came to know Elon Musk. Yeah, मैंने उनको बोला max to max what technology will do is we'll try to insert some chip. Exactly this is line. Morning before 8 or 9 o'clock we had this conversation. Morning business meeting होती थी. We used to meet that, and that's where I said. They said we are moving in this particular, and this particular guy is moving in this direction. I said, look, remember this thing is going to happen. And today Elon Musk is experimenting with the chip. I didn't have that vision, but I know it's going to happen. A lot of people know about it. It's going to happen. When you know in particular, when you are now to say plugged into a particular energy sector and all these things comes to you. This informations and all this knowledge comes to you. Same thing started happening with me in the telepathic way. And I started experimenting with the telepathic way. I started healing animals. Because animal telepathy होना start हुआ मेरा. So I thought, why I'll keep my Reiki healing thing limited to the human being only. I started doing Reiki healing to animals. I started giving healings to birds, to ants, to dogs, to cow, and all this thing. One particular incident happened. There was this cow around our area. So now in our area, there's a particular community whose cows roam around. Then police comes to catch them. And one day morning, I was going outside, and I got some glimpse out, and some sound was coming around. I went there, and I saw that this particular police people are trying to catch a cow. She was cornered, and they are trying to catch her directly. And I was getting this message because I was knowing this cow is going through a stress. I started communicating and all. I came to know she's having a tumor in her body. She's having a pain, and she's pregnant. I started talking with this policeman, but they are very angry and upset and all that. वो अपने काम में लगे हुए हैं. I said, you people are doing a very wrong thing. Please don't do it. And it is illegal. This way is not right and all this. I'm an animal rescuer. I do a lot of rescue. And I started doing rescue at that particular time a lot. No, they didn't agree. Then I started making video. I said, I'll make a video and make it viral. You people will face the consequences. Be ready for that. That person got angry. He caught me. He put me into police van. And he called his PI. And till then, the area where I live, almost people know that Amit is into the animal rescue work and treatment and all that. The people know that. When they came to know that, around 100-200 people gathered there. Then this PI came and all happened. And this PI shouted like something on me. He took me out and he shouted. He thought that this particular community, some guy is there who is stopping them from catching this cow. They said, this is a तूफानी guy और ये सबको इंजर कर रही है, ये कर रही है, वो कर रही है, इसलिए हम लोग उसको कैच कर रहे हैं. I said, why do you come to know why any animal will hit any human being? So what are you trying to say? I said, see, sir, please sit down. I'll explain you. I am into animal communication. I'm into animal rescue. This is not a way of handling it. And then he saw my mobile and all this thing. Then he, okay, tell me what you want. I said, see, this guy is having some physical issue, and she, I believe, is pregnant. Can you please take it in a healthy way? Then she was taken, and the vet came, and they saw actually she was having a tumor, and she was pregnant.
Wow.
At that end, he took me out of the van. He shook hand with me, and he saved my mobile number. You know what he wrote? That particular in Gujarati he wrote, "Animal rescue सिखाने वाले अमित भाई." That is what the name he stored. He shown me the man. At that particular time, I was planning to have this class, proper sitting with the police department, making them understand about animal communication, so that they can also come into a healthy practice of communicating and handling the animals and rescuing work and all this thing. Somehow it didn't happen, but that was one of the incident.
Wow.
And that kept on happening with me. From nowhere, animals used to bump into my house. They used to come into my place. I used to cure them, treat them, and they used to go away. Almost all sort of animals I have rescued or worked with them or tried to help them, or eagles, kite, parrots, birds, pigeons, dog, cow, cat, all these things happened. But one particular incident shocked me a lot. And they used to come randomly at my house. Right? So one day morning when I was going out, I saw a guy showing his hand towards my house and was saying something. Randomly कुछ चल रहा था. I went down and I saw it was a little bit bleeding there, and his hands were burned. I went into house and I took the bandages and all. I knew, because I'm a mountaineer also, first aid सिखाया जाता है वहाँ. I knew what the first aid to be done. I did the bandages and all this thing. And मैं सोचा घर जाके कुछ खाने का लेके आता हूँ. And while I was doing this bandage, he was murmuring something. Randomly कुछ बोल रहा था. Till I came back with something to give him, he was gone. Next day morning, again, उस वक्त मेरे दिमाग में इतना नहीं चला उस वक्त. Next day morning, again around that same time, he came with the same, no bandages in the hand. He was showing this hand. I went out, bleeding होना कम हो गया था उसको. I again did the bandage and all this thing. I tried to talk, but this time he was murmuring a bit louder. वो कुछ ना कुछ बोल रहा था. I did bandage and all this thing. I again tried to give him something, but he was not there. मैं उसे ड्रेस देना चाहता था कि एटलीस्ट कुछ कपड़े मिल जाए. थोड़ा पागल सा दिखे ऐसा लगता था. You need to understand these people are not actually mad at times. They are something different. Third day I was again expecting him. कि morning he will come. I was ready with the stuff. I'll give him ये food, ये खाना, ये bandage और ये सब. He didn't come. I waited, नहीं आया. Then I went out to search for him. People were knowing me. I asked him, have you people seen this type of guy sitting somewhere here and all? ऐसा को देखा? Nobody knew about him.
He just vanished.
He just vanished. There was no mark of that person. I roamed around for almost 45 minutes or something like that, 30 minutes or 45 minutes. I didn't find him anywhere. He went away. I was in shock. I completely stopped my practice of animal healing or Reiki practicing and everything. मैं डर गया था literally. For some period of time, I stopped practicing it. I got the cases, I used to refuse it. But then, there was something new to happen. I was hit by soul conversation.
Okay.
कैसा लाइफ में कैसा होता है कि when you stop somewhere, आपका अभी लेवल अपग्रेड हो जाता है. अभी न्यू गेम शुरू होगा, न्यू लेवल ऑफ गेम, अभी कुछ और खेलो. सेम थिंग हैपेंड विथ मी. I started seeing soul very clearly. I started having visions of souls at different places. I believe those are normal people and all, but I was able to see for some fraction of seconds or some minute. I got scared again. Then I started studying about it, started reading about it, और मेरा हनुमान चालीसा पढ़ना बहुत हायर लेवल पे चला गया. Till that time, I started having visions of having some movement in the ideal. मूर्ति में मुझे थोड़ा मूवमेंट होना दिखना शुरू हो गया.
मूर्ति में?
Yes.
Okay.
Today I have at a different level, but I was able to see that. मैं हनुमान चालीसा हाइट पे करने लगा. In a day 4 times, 5 times. See, that time I was a big fattu. Have you heard about this movie Virana?
No, I haven't.
Childhood Ram Sen brothers came up with this Virana movie.
Okay.
Damn scary. I saw that movie and for a week like something I was sleeping in between my parents. I was not ready to sleep alone. That scary guy.
Okay.
So this thing kept happening and I started seeing the souls and communication happened. Some sounds used to come and I used to talk in some way or other. One incident particular happened when I went with my wife right now, with her at my friend's house. I was going at her house for the first time. I entered in her house. I was sitting there. Then she, common hai, ghar batate hain. She took me at some room. There I, on the kabad ke upar, I saw a soul-like figure sitting and pointing towards a particular hook. Till then my fear of conversation or this thing was little bit down. बहुत अब मुझे पता था. Now I am hit with something new. So I started researching. See, knowledge helps you to understand things.
Yeah.
I started getting knowledge about it. I started reading and all this thing. My understanding started happening and all. So I saw that particular soul pointing towards a hook. And a sudden death feeling सा ऐसा आने लगा. I asked my friend, someone died here or someone committed. Suddenly she said, my younger brother committed suicide यार. Oh shit. I was like, मर गए. अब ये भी होने वाला है. That was actual my reaction with my friend. And she shown that exactly hook. वहाँ पे he hanged up and he died.
So that soul जो आपको दिख रहा था वो
That was present there.
Damn.
I hardly sat there for 10-15 minutes. Then I left that place. That was a very changing moment where I started believing that souls are guiding me for something. Some particular thing started happening with me, but didn't cause any harm to me. So I believe there might be something behind it. Some communication is supposed to happen. But then I continued doing it. So animal rescue work, animal Reiki, healing kept happening. Now I somehow started getting soul-related cases. Started it happening with the energy. Now till this time, my conversation or the world of energy was very well figured it out. And I was understanding energy, form of energy in a very clear way. But this particular time, I was having the visions of spectrum. मैं अलग अलग स्पेक्ट्रम का कलर देख पा रहा था. मैं लोगों के इंजर्ड पार्ट्स कभी कभी देख पा रहा. टू द एक्सटेंट वो विजन्स ऑफ स्पेक्ट्रम मुझे अब इतना ज़्यादा नहीं आ रहा है. टू बी ऑनेस्ट मैं इतना नहीं देख पा रहा हूँ. Recently, one of my friend Vikram, he was having some gastritic issue, and before 3 months पहले की बात, I saw some physical issue going on. I saw particular the wall of area where it is having a swelling. Because of that, he is having this gastritic part.
Okay.
He said me, yeah, Amit, you're right. This is happening. But what is the solution? You know it. What is the solution? that particular thing kicked me. You are getting it. You know what it is happening. What it is, you know that thing. That was the solution. To an extent, I was able to heal it with the Reiki. But there are some things which are beyond that.
Yeah.
So I need to work. Then I was having no formal medical background or anything like that. So I started experimenting. That's where I started working with energy. My work with energy become very intense. I started understanding the vibration thing. Now, parallelly, I was meeting people with having the Mata coming and all this thing. So those things were the research work was going on in that direction. Then I came to know there are a lot of things they are using for doing black magic, which we were talking. या तो आपको कुछ खिला दिया जाता है, या तो स्पेल होता है, या आपको कोई चीज़ दे दी जाती है, राइट, जो आप पहनते हो रखते हो, ऐसा कुछ थी. How does it work? How can it work with you? Then I came to know everything has got energy. If you are able to influence or reprogram the energy, this particular thing can work. Then you can use those energies in a different form. I started experimenting with water because I know human is having major part of the body as a water. The water content is the best part. So I started programming water. I started talking with the water. Now I don't have any tantras background or mantras and all this thing. Knowledge is not there. My basic understanding about the energy is very clear.
Yeah.
If I talk with the water and if I ask water to do something particular, will it do? Let's do it. I started doing it. Then I started programming water. I started treating people with the waters. I started giving medicine in a form, not exactly the medicine and all, but I पानी पीन दे देता था. Some people used to claim कि ये इस तरह से behave करता है. This is not understanding, because when you start getting the cases of all kind, you will have all sort of cases. Parents used to call me, my kid is not listening to me. This is ये मानता ही नहीं है. He's not doing this thing. He's not understanding that way and all this thing. He's influenced by this part and all and all. So what I used to do, I used to ask, can I have a glass of water? I used to have a glass of water. Then I used to talk with the water. Then I started programming that water. Then I asked, beta, at least you can drink the water. Do you see I have done nothing? Drink the water. If some people are not ready, then I program the water and give them कि आप अपने बच्चे को पानी पिला दो ऐसा. Again, this is a form of practice. It can be done in a healthy way or negative way.
So basically, water के through आप चीजें manifest करवा रहे थे उनके लिए.
See, water, then some parts, some coins, copper coins. See, some of the answers that I always get or some ways I used to get very naturally, from where I have no idea. No study, no background. Copper. I started using copper very much. Programming copper. Now today I understand astrologically आपके मंगल से related copper होता है, आपकी इससे related है, copper play a particular role, carries energy very well and all this thing. But that time I used to get this download, okay, use copper. So I started getting using copper coin. Do you remember? एक आना आता था, जिसमें hole आता था. So what I used to do is that I used to charge the copper coin, this thing, and I used to tell him, at least can you carry this thing in your kitchen? उसको आप kitchen में डाल सकते हैं. This thing will stop.
So आप जब पानी को program करते हो, can you tell us how do you do it? मतलब exactly what's the process?
Glass of water. You got a problem with the body. I'll talk with the particles of. See, water has got a very beautiful ability. One of the best form which carries memory for a long period of time. So now it can has a memory. Why can't I change the memory to perform in some particular way? See, if you got a memory to play good cricket and all good particular job, you will use those memory for use, for practicing that thing. You will have good strokes and all this thing. You will use those sections well for fighting in the law. You will use your memories for influencing business purpose, marketing purpose. I will use the memory of the water. I will play the vibrations and energy level frequency of the water. So I started speaking with the water. You have to do this thing. This particular person is having this thing. I am talking about the universal energy. So this is the way I communicate. I introduce first myself. I introduce that person to the universal world. I ask this, but this is the reason I am trying to do. This is my intention behind it. I need your help. Please help me. I want you to do this particular job. This is the thing. Get into this process. Please help me doing this thing. Then there is some other process which I think is not the right platform where, but this is where I speak something. Now I am having a good connect with the goddess and this thing. I use her powers, her permissions, other ways and all. So I program in that way. Then I ask to drink.
Okay.
ऐसा नहीं है कि फर्स्ट टाइम यू विल ड्रिंक इट विल बी सॉल्व, नो, takes a time
Process it.
because it also goes inside your body and it takes a time to get absorbed by your body absorbs those energy and then it will start working. Parallelly I do some sort of counseling with that person. See again, the thing I said, it's a psychochromatic symptom, most of the illness. So water will play its role physically. हार्डवेयर में काम चल रहा है, आपके सॉफ्टवेयर में तो करना जरूरी है. सो आई टॉक विद दैट पर्सन, आई ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन विद दैट पर्सन. Is he going through some thought process? Something has hit in his life. I try to understand. Then I try to counsel in that way. I try to communicate. See, this is not the bad thing. इससे भी bad हो सकता होता है. But you are so fortunate. You are in a very good position. There are people having this thing. You are having this thing. Try to understand. Try to help you out. And I always say that I am very fortunate person. I have gone through a lot of business process. I have gone through a lot of अलग-अलग lines. I somewhere around you talk about something, I can talk about that up to some extent, or some good things, okay, I can talk about it. So I can understand other person's business to a level, and I can at least communicate or converse it so that I can make him understand to see a positive side, to see a good side in that thing. So program हो जाएगा. So I try to talk, I try to lighten him. So what all this process is, I'm trying to bring down his energy level, where he is able to understand his frequency comes to a level where he vibrates to a line where his systems calm down, he becomes balanced mind, he's not carried away with the over thought process. Then I understand his chakras, I work on his chakras, Agnya chakra, thought process and all this thing. Mixture of all. Now I learned the trick behind it. I do that. So eventually, working on hardware, working on software, working off ethereal body and all this thing, slowly, gradually, it gets the result.
Got it.
I got that technique. So I understood that part. So I start doing in this way and that way and getting and all. So I started programming crystals also. I started programming things. Why not this will work? Why not that will work? Kam jada, काम तो करेगा.
Right.
So it started happening this thing. But then one particular incident that introduced me with the goddess Kali. That is a spot, a big change in my life. So I was regularly getting the soul and negative souls conversation and all. The haunted cases are started. Now this is a particular point when I was introduced with the people from Mumbai who are also paranormal, who are working in that. So I started searching for people like me who are working in this field. So I started getting contacts. I communicated them, okay, I want to meet you people, I want to work in this particular field because you people are working in a more organized way. So I met them. They are doing some paranormal investigation. That's where I met Shiva. And Shiva means God, not God.
Ashwin.
Ashwin.
We have had him on the podcast.
Exactly. So I met them. So I did investigation with them of some places like Kuldhara, then Roha Fort, Lonavala and all. And I learned from them the research methodology towards this paranormal thing. Till then I was doing with my instincts, and from them I learned about the research methodology. But after a period of time I stopped doing the investigations and all, and I came back again in my world and all. So this particular case came to me, and when I got involved in this particular case of soul presence and entity, this entity don't want me to play my role. That entity don't wanted me to get involved in this case, and it started haunting me. I started getting bad visions, bad feelings around. And after a long period of time, really, I was very scared. At that particular night, I was sleeping alone in my house, and in my bedroom I was alone, and I was very scared. I was getting weird visions, weird feeling around. I felt as if that the entity is present there and trying to harm me or some cause me. And I was just praying, जैसे तैसे ये रात निकल जाए. Let the night end anyway. And I was having sweat and all. I tried to sleep down. Light on करके भी मैं सोया. अंधेरा नहीं था. सोया पर नहीं सो पा रहा था. मैं पीट ही नहीं कर पा रहा था वहाँ पे. After some time, I saw a figure. In this particular way, that figure was guarding me. And I felt as if I'm sleeping. See, you are sleeping here. आप जैसे माँ के गोद में सोते हो, तो गोद में आपका सर होता है, आपकी बॉडी वहाँ पे है, and this mother is sitting on this side. So I saw this type of figure trying to guard me, and through telepathic message came to me. This downloaded. Don't be scared. I have always protected you. I will protect you. I am always there. don't be scared. And that I saw a real figure of it. I saw, and that was Goddess Kali. I had some conversation little bit. I can see her. I was so relaxed. In a fraction of seconds, entire fear and all this thing vanished. See, I said I have studied psychology. I have done certificate courses in that. I know what is hallucination. I know what is illusion. हमारा दिमाग खेल खेल रहा है या क्या, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. लाइट वॉज ऑन. थोड़ी देर में मुझे नींद आ गई, मैं सो गया. नाउ नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग द विजन वॉज क्लियर. I was very fresh with the thing, what happened and all everything. For 1 or 2 days, for some time, I didn't spoke this thing to anyone. Now, because I was having the conversation with a lot of people who are having matas visit or goddess and the bhuas. There is one of particular bhua who is very good friend of mine, Ashwin ji. So I met him and I talked and I shared all the incident. I said, what is it? Can you tell me, is it my hallucination? Was I imagining? या क्या था? He sat down. He also processed it. He ध्यान में बैठे थोड़ी देर में, माला का भी देखा, and he said, it was not an imagination. It was actual. The presence was there. I was shocked, equally happy. Yes, goddess came to rescue me. But then very fraction of minutes he said, but क्यों ऐसा? मैंने बोला मुझे नहीं पता, मैं डर गया था उस दिन. I was very scared. Then I asked, what are you doing right now? So I said, see, I'm practicing this part, I'm doing this thing, I'm doing this thing. He said, do you know why you are getting these visions and why you are able to heal, you are able to see, communicate with souls and all this thing? And still you are not affected and all that. This is not just because of this particular life. This is your entire karmic past journey. You have carried this thing in your past lives also. That's the reason you are able to do this thing, and your Kul Devi is helping this for that. That particular thing introduced me with the concept of past life journey, the past life and all. And I become very curious. I wanted to understand what is my past life. मैं ऐसा तो क्या किया? What I did in my past life that Goddess Kali and I'm getting this thing, I'm able to do communications and all this thing. I don't know. So my curiosity went out high. I started searching for the people who can help me out to do or see or to know my past life. And I got some people through some medium. I started going in my past life and they helped me to understand. Then I came to know. In one of my past life, I treated very badly in anger some person. I got cursed. That's the reason some year I'm going to suffer a lot and all this thing. Before that, I was a warrior. I fought war and all. Before that, I was an upasak.
Okay.
Before that, I was, I won't say actual aghori, but I was a very strong upasak of Goddess Kali and God. And I practice it in a healthier way. That is the reason this thing kept with me, the knowledge, the ability to communicate. I won't say the power. I'm still not able to use this word. But this ability to communicate with psychic powers or ability to communicate with souls or animals or energy started happening or kept happening. But then why I'm coming on planet, why I'm hit by this thing, then I came to know in that particular life when I can say I was either an aghori or something or some good high level upasak, I did something wrong. I misused my energy because of my anger. I destroyed some person or something like that. I was being cursed and was cursed by Goddess Shiva in a way. He asked me, you have to take birth, go through this journey unless you control your anger.
Wow.
You learn using this in a healthy way without causing any case. That's the reason in this particular life. See, in this particular life, there are a lot of things kept happening with me which triggered me. And I'm a very internally, to a past of long period of time, I was a very anger-prone person. And I used to get angry at anything and used to break things and all these things. So this is one thing that I'm supposed to learn in my life. And this life's path and this life journey, now you were talking about the life path and purpose of life. Now you need to understand very important thing. Every soul taking birth on the planet which we call as Earth. By the way, the planet Earth, which I believe, also there are a lot of people who believes in this thing, it's not only a planet, it's a school for the souls to learn things.
Right.
So I or every soul take a purpose on this planet, majorly 2 to 3 purpose that I believe. One, to learn things, to process this out, or to upbring your conscious level to your soul's life, to live and vibrate at the highest possible potential level, to come up and rise up as a human being, as a good soul. See, now we need to understand one thing. Every soul has got a potential to become a god tattva, deva tattva banne ka potential, every soul. Even Jainism also mentions this thing very clearly. If you go to some derasars or in Jain temples, you will see some depicted images in a circular form. I had a conversation with the pujari in that. He explained me, see, in this lifespan, if you pass through this particular thing, you do this particular sadhana, you upgrade yourself in spiritual path, you reach out to this level. Then again in next lifespan you reach out to this level, then is this level, then you, when you crosses to this level, it is a possibility that you become a god level soul, you become a deva tattva. So now deva tattva banne ka matlab, do you become a god? No, maybe. But then that soul can be resent to the planet Earth, where they play a role like either a guru, Ramakrishna Paramhans, Tukaram, other gurus, or a leader, to guide the people who need guidance for this journey in their life. For say you are looking for a spiritual journey, you realize that I need to have this journey, but you need some guidance, you need some guru. Physical guru is needed in some particular tantric vidya or and this purpose. Apart from that, you need some guidance, some paths showing people who can activate this part. So those people come into life as a guru. So your soul can take place or birth on this planet either in a form of a guru to guide some people, which maybe your book can do, or maybe your journey for enlightenment or your spiritual path, you are learning here or you are here for doing that journey. Now, other reason for a soul to take birth on this planet is, now there are different realms of the soul. There are lower realm, like 1, 2, 3. These are
16 lokas, if I'm not wrong.
lokas forms and the realm. So the souls which are on the lower realm, they are going through a lot of problems. Their life is very miserable. Their things are happening very different way, and some people dominating, misusing, torturing, ये enjoying their part. जैसे bullied भी, जैसे जेल के अंदर एक बड़ा जेल का कैदी होगा.
Sort of a hell.
Hell word is for us understanding. There is no hell, there is no heaven. There is only this loka. सो जेल में एक बुली कैदी होगा, वो नीचे ये आया, फ्रेश आया, वो जोली को उसको बुली करेगा, उसको दबाएगा, मारेगा. दिस ऑल थिंग्स हैपन, कीप ऑन हैपनिंग देयर. नाउ any particular soul, if it has to uprise in a realm way, they have to go through a thousands of years journey. What are the other good ways? Now when you are in the lower realm, you have to type of sign a contract with the devas, okay, I am ready to go through this particular experience or treatment or something like that, and for that you choose the people in your life. Now anyone or any people coming in your life or being in your life in one or other way is chosen by you. You chose that person to play that particular role in your life. Either they might be torturing you, they might be treating you bad way, they might be causing some harm to you. आपको ऐसा लग रहा है यार ये इंसान मेरी लाइफ को बर्बाद कर रहा है. It can be anyone, wife, husband, or father, mother, brother, siblings, or friend, guru, close friend, anything, business partner, can be anyone. You chose this person, even to an extent that you chose your mother from whom you will take birth.
Right.
And you take birth, you go through entire suffering and all this thing, so that your karmas which you did wrong, because of which in your lower realm you are, you wash out those karma. Now washing out those karma in a form, in a way, is very simple to understand. Possible hai, बहुत easy hai. See, first thing you need to understand, if you're going through a lot of things, struggle and all this thing, something good is going to happen with you. You're been releasing those karma. What you need to do, you have to accept. If you now realize in this lifespan, see, I did a lot of bad things and all, which everyone does at a period of time. Accept those bad karma. Ask sorry for those bad karma. If possible, go and ask to that person with whom you did. Say sorry to that. Say sorry sitting in front of your Ishtadev or your Kuladevata or Kuladevi, you ask for forgiveness, you do good spiritual work, you try to help people, some taking care of other animals, other people, helping them, and don't get involved in any wrong path.
Right.
Now, in Kali Yuga, it has been very clearly said what are the major paps or bad acts. Murdering and all this thing is equally thing. But major pap which has been said, first thing, misusing the word dharma. Dharma ke naam pe, whatever bad things or wrong things that you keep doing, it's a big crime, big pap. Second, you misusing people for your personal benefit, making use of that, that's again bad karma. आपके थ्रू आपका मिसयूज, आपको नुकसान पहुंचा के मैं अपना फायदा कर लूँ, वो अगेन इंटेंशनली थॉट प्रोसेस से भी आप किसी का, दिस ऑल थिंग्स आर बैड papas which one should not do in karma. By the way, getting close to God in Kali Yuga is much easier compared to other yuga. Right? See, in Kali Yuga it has been very clearly said in Vedas and Puranas, if you ask for forgiveness for your karma, and if you chant also my name, japa, tapa, jap or any yatra or something, God has to give you blessing. You should be relieved out of it. No doubt about it. But then you should not get indulged in wrong activity again. So Kalyug, in Satyug and all this thing, आपको बहुत बड़ा बहुत लंबा meditation, you have to get into meditation, havan and all this thing. It's not needed in this particular yuga, right? You keep doing good thing. But now these are very simple things. Whatever I shared, very simple. Any layman you are, garat mat karo, ye mat karo, all this thing. But still people are not able to get out of it. You know why? Beautiful thing. And God, all the systems are very beautiful. If you try to understand our concept from Sanatan Dharma, because they are explaining in Vedas and Puranas and Upanishads in a very uniform, very unique way, story ways and all. It's a very beautifully designed system. Maya. The word Maya. We get carried away, we get very easily attracted towards this thing. Getting attracted toward fascinated, name, fame, lust, sex, getting very famous, likes and all this thing, popular banna hai, uske liye we do all sort of ways. That is the thing that stops us from going towards the right journey. Pata sab hota hai. Somewhere around. Why will anyone sell? Tell me, why will anyone rape anyone? Why will you in your conscious mind murder anyone? You will not. Because it's a wrong thing, you know that. But still, daily murders are happening.
Yeah.
Mass murder is happening by war on others. Rapes are daily happening to n number of cases, right? Same thing is happening. So most important thing, everyone need to understand the purpose of their taking birth on this planet.
I think so. Purpose of life wala to podcast, we have to do it because I see a lot of people who are confused. In my personal, जो मेरा खुद का circle है, उसमें I have seen people who are confused about their purpose, both materialistic and spiritual purposes. Both. I am myself one of those people. Materialistically, probably I know what my purpose is, but my spiritual purpose, I'm still clueless about that. We'll do a proper podcast for that, but. I think so we should end this particular podcast on this note because this is a very heavy podcast जो भी सुन रहा है उनके लिए भी but one thing जो हमने रेकी वाला एक loop start किया था, I want to end the रेकी वाला loop and this podcast on that. So if there is anybody who is going through some sort of illness, Reiki can help them get out of that illness.
Yes.
Okay.
Need to understand first why that particular illness is there. That will help you to heal that person from the cause.
Okay.
It's not only just getting the physical report, okay, इनको बुखार आ रहा है, इनको infection है and all this thing.
Right.
That can help you to extend randomly sending
Medical
this message.
science है उसके लिए.
Right.
Reiki is more about energies.
And because we need to understand why that person is ill at this particular spot. We need to understand that point. Is it the thought process? Is he going through depression? Is he having some issues in his personal life? Is he been neglected? Emotional neglectness is there. Is not. He is feeling like not wanted around, or from where it is coming, or is just a physical. That all things we need to understand, the aura, the energy, which chakra has been not balanced or corrupted. We need to understand this, and from healing from that point, will heal that person, and
Right.
definitely.
Got it. Could you tell me what is the color of my aura? क्योंकि आपने वो हितेश जी वाली बात की थी, so I want to end on that.
Okay. So your particular aura's color right now, a yellow color I can see, that is to Manipur chakra something.
Manipur.
Second, related to stomach,
Hmm.
or some sort of your thought process related to money.
Hmm.
And your Agnya chakra is active in a healthy way. I can see the blue color right now very clearly. That is for the curiosity of the knowledge, the expansion of the thing. Not only just because this podcast and all this thing, there is some sort of your craving for the knowledge, and some field of is there that I can see very clearly. It's coming from your that area.
Hmm.
Apart from that, I can see white color, subtle balanced white color. Some calmness is there,
Hmm.
but the imbalanced part I can see is the orange, and the yellow color is something predominant I can see.
So what should I do for that?
So now need to understand, okay, yellow color, स्वादिष्टान मणिपुर यहाँ चक्र है अपने यहाँ का. स्टमक रिलेटेड कुछ इशू हो रहा होता है कभी कभी. कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो हमारे माइंड में मनी रिलेटेड, फाइनेंस रिलेटेड से कुछ चल रहा है, जिसके वजह से वो चक्र थोड़ा बहुत बैलेंस नहीं हो रहा है. What I can do is that calm you down. We will have a conversation. Sit down. I'll pass the Reiki and try to balance your chakra.
Hmm.
That will help majorly to heal your system.
Got it. I don't know, my mind is blown up right now, but thank you so much for doing this podcast. We'll move on to another one after this. I hope so जो भी देख रहा है, they have enjoyed this podcast क्योंकि बहुत सारा knowledge है. I'll try to break down this knowledge into many more podcasts with you in the coming days and right now as well. But thank you so much for doing this one.
But before ending,
Yeah.
sorry, I'm just
Yeah.
first thing, whatever the knowledge has come there, it's a journey that I had in my life. Second, before ending this part, you said materialistic journey. So
Purpose.
Maya and materialistic, we don't need to misunderstand this point. So having a lot of money is not a wrong thing. Beyond limit money coming up in your life through a wrong path can be a wrong thing.
Right.
Now having money, how you use it is another opportunity for you to having good deed in your life. Misusing can be a wrong thing. So whoever are listening need to understand, if they are having a good amount of money, nothing is bad in that. So Maya should not be misunderstood with the power that you are having.
It's like that black magic वाला जो point हमने लिया था, उसको use कैसे कर रहे हो?
हाँ.
वो
So Maya material, अब some people will then start thinking, I am having this commercially benefited money, finance अच्छा हूँ, am I doing wrong thing, am I in a wrong thing, or all spiritual good people should be fakira type. No, you can be a millionaire, like multi-crorepati and all this thing, but still you can be very sada, simple, and still a very spiritual, grounded person, and using those money for a better cause. When you have good amount of money, why don't you use it for helping people who are in needy, or doing something? You can do a business out of it. Open education system where kids can learn. Some underprivileged people can learn. Teach them also. Earn through rich people. Have other school where you can earn from them. Business कर सकते हैं ना. So you can come up with the idea where you can use those money part in a healthy or
Yeah, you have to balance it out.
that you need to understand. That's the Maya need to understand it in a healthy way.
Awesome. Wow, this has been enriching conversation. Thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you very much. I'm so very happy to be here.
Awesome.